Hola! Is it time to renew your Mexican passport in Canada? With the information gathered from the Consulate General of Mexico in Toronto, we've put together some detailed instructions to help you renew your passport with ease. Step 1. Obtain an appointment by phone or from the website. Make sure to prepare and bring the documents required to facilitate your passport renewal. Step 2. Arrive at the consulate at least 5 minutes before your appointment. Prepare a black ink pen to sign and fill up the OP5 application form. For minors, they also have to sign Form OP7. Step 3. Present your previous passport that has no limitation. If you have a Type E passport book with an observation or issued after January 1, 2006, you must present the passport requirements just like the first time. An identification document may also be required. Step 4. Have your picture taken at the consulate. In that case, there is no need to bring photos. Step 5. Pay the passport fee in Canadian dollars, cash and the exact amount, or in money order payable to Consulate of Mexico. Step 6. Wait 4 to 6 weeks or possibly even more. If you have a verifiable emergency, you must indicate it prior to your appointment. Here are the Mexican consulates in Canada. Each of them may have different consular services, so always contact them before visiting. That's it! We hope it helps you. This is brought to you by RemitBee, the best way to send money to Mexico from Canada.